I drop my phone a lot. I must protect it when filming in the workshop, so I'm going to make a cage. Cages keep things safe all the time, like birds, dogs, air conditioners, hamsters, and babies. This is my original phone holder filming mount that I made. It's very simple, and it just uses a snap bracelet to hold the phone in place. But this one is going to be a lot more robust. First, we have to start with the normal case part of the phone case. The phone is traced, the sides are cut out, the back is cut out, and the sides are glued and nailed in place, with a notch removed for the camera. Next for the cage. It's a lot easier to test the shapes out with a coat hanger wire and then copy that in brass rod. This was my first time soldering brass rod, so it took a few tries to get it to flow nicely. This locking tab is going to be mounted here. It's going to be sprung, but one issue I'm facing is that I only have left-handed torsion springs. So I have to bend the ends of the spring across itself to essentially turn the spring inside out. This is just a small piece of steel with a 1/4-20 threaded insert soldered in place. This will be the tripod mount. And after 2.5 years, it's still working. I just had to thicken the tripod mount a bit.